Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we have rounded up some metal furniture ideas for you. Keep watching this video until the end to learn more about these amazing designs. When it comes to household furniture, wood has always been the go-to material. However, now people are more openly exploring new materials to style their furniture, and one such material comes in the form of steel furniture. Previously thought of as an old-school native material, steel is now gaining more popularity as a household furniture choice for its appealing, safe and sustainable qualities. Here are the pros and cons of steel furniture. Number 1. Metal is good as an outdoor furniture. If you are worried about your wooden furniture getting ruined in the sun, then rest assured the steel can resist climate change better than any other material. Hence, they can be the perfect choice as a piece of garden furniture. Even in an apartment, steel chairs or bookshelves can be the right choice to place in the gallery. Furthermore, a stainless steel bench or multiple of them, considering your backyard space, can be a good addition for your outdoor parties and events. Number 2. Durability. Everything is right. One huge pro of using steel is that it's produced from high quality durable material, making it dependable. It doesn't chip away easily, unlike wood, and it doesn't require being replaced frequently, making it a long-term furniture choice, especially for your guest houses and rooms which you don't frequently visit or redecorate. Number 3. Environment friendly. With ecological pollution posing a huge threat to a healthy life, metal furniture becomes an ideal choice as it is recyclable and sustainable and doesn't require excessive use of synthetic substances. So, the next time you're looking for a steel bedside table, you will do so knowing you won't be adding up to the environment's burden of dealing with toxic waste. Number 4. Fashionable. A lot of people shy away from using steel furniture because it is not considered to be as attractive as its wooden counterpart. But modern steel furniture isn't only stylish, it is also available in a lot more variety than wooden furniture, making it an attractive, appealing and versatile choice for your space. Number 5. Absorb heat. While it is true that steel is durable as outdoor furniture, it is also heat absorbent, meaning if you leave your furniture out in the sun for too long, it will get burning hot, making it unbearable to sit on or use. This doesn't mean you shouldn't use steel outdoor furniture, but make sure to keep the furniture in a shaded area or make a shaded area to store it in the sunny season. Number 5. Weight. The main con of steel is its weight. While wood is easy to move around, making it convenient when one wants to redecorate their space, steel is a lot harder to shift. Therefore, it gets harder to modify furniture placement when your space exclusively consists of steel furniture. No matter which type of furniture you want to purchase, from steel to wood to any other material, It is always good to know the pros and cons of the material and weigh those pros and cons according to your own requirements and how they will come into play considering the use you have planned for them. This is all we have from our end on the pros and cons of steel furniture. If you are looking for versatile choices in your furniture collection, visit House of Bling for more information. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you'd like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel. Hope to see you soon with a new video.